Welcome back to Chris Cooks. Today we are making my cucumber crunch salad. It is so tasty. Everybody needs a side dish that they can whip together in about 10 minutes, and this is one of those for me. I love making this. Always gets rave reviews. Really easy and comes out quick. Let's get to it. This is a side that's very fresh, very vegetable heavy. Obviously cucumbers, cherry tomatoes, red onion, and then I love to add in fresh radish. I think that is one of that's the flavor of spring to me, radish. Optional, you can leave it out if you're not a fan, but I really encourage you to try it. And then for the crunchy roasted chickpeas. You can buy these in the store. You can make them yourself if you're sensitive to like seed oils and stuff like that. They seem to always use sunflower seed oil or something like that. But you can make it at home just with chickpeas from a can, rinsed, drained, and dried, tossed with avocado oil and roasted slowly in the oven. Really easy. The dressing, it's gonna be avocado based. Avocado, it's like nature's mayonnaise. You can use it in all kinds of dressings and it behaves very similarly except with a much healthier fat profile. We're gonna use some dairy-free Greek yogurt. We're dairy-free in this household. You can just use regular Greek yogurt if you prefer. Honey, dill, lemon. The dressing is what we're gonna start with first. We make the dressing in the bottom and then we'll add all the vegetables to it and toss that together, and that saves us having to use multiple bowls for all of this. Mash up the avocado as much as we can. You want to get it as smooth as possible while it's the only thing in the bowl. Otherwise, the more stuff you add, the harder it is to get any larger clumps worked out. Add the juice of half a lemon. This little whisk for sauces and dressings, this is the best whisk to use. Yogurt, about a quarter cup. Season with salt. Taste. You're gonna use the other half of the lemon. Sweetener of choice, I'm using honey. Start with about a tablespoon of that. That is just right for consistency. That's what you're looking for right there. Taste. Oh, nailed it. All right, fresh dill, which is, I mean, especially this time of year, one of the greatest. Oh, the smell of fresh dill, I swear, it's the best. You want a couple tablespoons to a quarter cup of that chopped fresh dill. Fold that in. Then for the vegetables, we will start with the cucumber. And we're just gonna do kind of a rough cut here. Nothing like uniform in shape, just cut, do a quarter turn, cut again. Cherry tomatoes, a couple handfuls. These have been washed. Just gonna cut these right in half. That one for me. For this size of a red onion, quarter of it looks good. Give it a stir and just see how our ratios are. Radishes, 5 or 6 radishes. Radishes always make me think of my mom. My mom is a fantastic gardener, and I remember growing up, it was like springtime, radishes. I was out in the garden with a shaker of salt, just eating radishes next to the garden hose. Fond memories. All right, the roasted chickpeas. We're gonna do about, I'm gonna say like a cup of those. And I like to lay them out here first and then just use the side of my knife and crack them open. You can smash them as much or as little as you want. Right in the bowl. That's so good. Yo, it's so good. If you use good ingredients, you don't have to do a ton to it. You just cut the ingredients and put them together. Little honey, little lemon. You can do a ton with that approach. This salad came together in, I don't know, 10-ish minutes. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Give this one a try. Like, subscribe, comment, all that stuff. Tap the notification bell to see our next video when it comes out, and make this for somebody that you care about. Take care.